All right, India's Prime Minister designate Narendra Modi is set to be sworn in on Sunday evening for the third consecutive term. The ceremony is scheduled for 7:15 p.m. India time at the iconic Rashtrapati Bhavan in the capital New Delhi. Massive preparations are underway at the venue. India's President Draupadi Murmu will administer the oath of office and secrecy to Prime Minister designate Modi and his Council of Ministers. Over 9,000 invitees, including foreign dignitaries, will attend the oath-taking ceremony today here in New Delhi. Top leaders and heads of state from Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Nepal, Mauritius, as well as the Maldives are arriving today. They have been extended invitation in alignment with India's neighbourhood first policy. Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and Seychelles Vice President Ahmed Afif were the first foreign dignitaries to arrive. Sri Lankan President Ranil Wickremesinghe, Maldivian President Mohammad Muizzu, Mauritius Prime Minister Pravin Kumar Jugnauth, Nepalese Prime Minister Pushpa Kamal Dahal Prachanda are all arriving today. Meanwhile, the opposition India bloc says that it has not been invited to the scheduled swearing-in ceremony. Following the CWC meeting, Congress party leader Jairam Ramesh said that only international leaders were invited and that the India bloc did not receive an invitation. Security has been beefed up ahead of the event in the Indian capital. Delhi has been declared a no-fly zone for Sunday and Monday. Rashtrapati Bhavan cancelled the weekly change of guard ceremony on the 8th, 15th and the 22nd of June ahead of the preparation, while prohibitory orders have been issued banning large gatherings. A three-layered security system will be in place around the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Around 2,500 personnel, including 5 companies of paramilitary, that's of course paramilitary forces, and Delhi Armed Police Forces will be deployed. Snipers, armed police personnel and drones will secure routes the dignitaries will take. Delhi Police has issued a traffic advisory in the national capital. Several roads in the central Delhi have been closed and the traffic diversions are in place. Only pedestrian movement is allowed. Around 2,500 police personnel, as I mentioned earlier, have been deployed with enhanced checking at the capital's borders. Prime Minister designate Modi is expected to hand over a list of ministers to be sworn in to his new cabinet a few hours ahead of the swearing-in ceremony. Nearly 15 spots in the Union Council of Ministers can go to the NDA allies. Sources say the BJP wants to keep the top ministries of Home, External Affairs, Defence and Finance with itself, along with other key ministries like Railway, Road, Transport, Law, Information Technology and Education. The TDP may get 3 berths in the Council of Ministers, including a cabinet post and 2 ministers of state. The JDU similarly could be in the running for 3 berths, a full cabinet minister position and 2 ministers of state. The Shiv Sena of Eknath Shinde with 7 seats can also get a cabinet post and a minister of state berth. For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.